Gold traded in a narrow zone throughout the day. We have seen it is struggling about 2636 and 2640 zone. That is the zone where it has found its resistance, while on the downside 2624, 25, which we discussed as a greater support, is still acting as a greater support. While if you see the Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, we have seen it again, both the indices traded in range. So in this update, we will try to see how to trade profitably gold, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day. Thus, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with Nasdaq, and in the end Dow. Watch what's happening on the early charts for gold. You can see it was trading here bullish first, second retracement, and now this time it has breached the channel. It is in fact traded a notch lower. It has breached, tried to breach the lows from yesterday, failing to do so. It is trying to bounce back now. Again, if you see it is staying above 2632 and then 2636 levels, you can expect it to break beyond 2642 and plus levels as well. Yes, it can show you complete recovery from these. Right now, even if you look at, see, this is how it has been trading higher lows. So on a broader range, I will still say that gold is not showing signs of bearishness. But yes, if it now drops below 261820 and 26 1415 the next, and then 26 810, these are the three levels which are going to be critical for gold on the downside. So if you now see trading below 2624, take a selling entry, wait for 261820 and then 26 1415 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with slight bearishness. RSI is trying to bounce back here. On the two, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart. See the crossover here, again the support level. See 20 and 50 period moving average is still proving out to be a greater support. But now notice on the upside what has happened. Look at this, look at this. None of the candles closed about 2636 levels. That is a crucial level, and then 4042. I will definitely closely watch out these two levels. Any move beyond these two is a sign of reversal. As long as gold stays below these two, I will not treat this as bullish, as we have discussed earlier today as well. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD crossing over for sell. It is a sign of bearishness here. RSI is staying flat. On the 3-hour, similar observation. See, moving averages are now coming closer. These have not yet crossed over, and this is definitely going to be a greater support. And that is why I say you can sell at 2624. When you see the price is trading below the median of the Bollinger Bands, we can expect another round of drop, taking it till towards 2618, 20, 14, 15, and in fact lower levels. But I will say still you have to watch out with caution. Now, another observation here on the 3-hour charts, divide this into two. You can see symmetry here, and you can also see support. So it is right now trading in a box which it needs to come out of. Yes, the indicators have cooled down. The MACD has converged, and the RSI not showing much signs. On the 4, notice what is happening on the 4-hour charts here. See a reversal or indecision candle, and then the first bearish candle has appeared. Now the current candle is started with a slight retracement. It has formed a wick, it has formed lower highs, it is trying to hit lower lows. There is a possibility that it can come down towards 2624 levels, and below that is where you can say more bearishness should prevail. Right now I'll still not say that it is turned bearish here. Now another way to look at it is here, just connect the dots. First low, second, third, and now the support levels at 26 20 18 should be very strong, below which more bearishness should prevail. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is in green, the RSI is flat here. Coming to on the daily charts, what has happened? See, this is how the beauty of the moving average is. You see the crossover here, and what we had discussed earlier in the day, drop retracement. So it is still struggling to break beyond the 20-50 period moving average. Now this zone is very crucial for gold to complete a reversal here. It can probably do so, but I will right now I'm looking at what is happening. It is just struggling to break on the upside, and thus now 26 40 42 is a very critical zone for it to break past by, and then 48 50. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater rise. And yes, I will still not treat this as bearish. Look at this, just connect the dots. All the lows here and here are beautifully connected, and thus it is very important for gold to trade below 26 18 20, 26 14 15, and 26 8 10 levels. If these three levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction. Right now it can still bounce back, it can still reverse, it can still rise. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge here. It is already at a lower levels, and the RSI is flat. So before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for you. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lower spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now let's move to Nasdaq 100, and yes, I will give you the levels on gold. Let's also have a look at the Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones chart. Now, before we proceed with Nasdaq 100, see, gold can be bought here at 2632 levels. Expect 36 to be breached. 36 should be a good resistance, and then 2640-42. Only bullishness is only and only if you see gold trading above 2640-42 levels. That is the only level above which the bulls will take over. Else, it is still not to be treated bullish here. Beyond 2640-42, we can expect 2650, and then beyond that, it can in fact move towards 2660 and 6465. Though right now it is struggling here at around 2636 and in fact 2640 levels. So be mindful of this. If you are buying at 2632, this is going to be risky till 2642 is not taken, and hence you have to strictly trail your stop losses there. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2624 22 levels. If you see gold trading below 2624 22, take a sell for 2618 and then 2614. If 2614 is taken, more bearishness should be seen here, where we are looking forward to 260810 as the first target and 2600 as the next. See, if gold trades below 260810 levels, stay short for 2600, stay short for 2580 levels very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq Tech 100. What it has done, notice this formation here. See, after hitting the highs, we have seen Tech 100 struggling in a zone. It has not yet breached below the critical support zone, what we discussed earlier in the day, 21 670 660 zone. And see, it is trading bearish. It can in fact break on the upside. I will wait for it to now trade about 21 750 770 zone. Any move beyond 21 750 770 should take it towards 21 800 840 850. If these two are taken, stay bullish. Moving averages are convergent here. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI is comfortable. On the 2-hour chart, see what it has done. Prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. It is converged. Now it is trying to bounce back. It is possible. If you see it is staying above 21 720 730, buy for 750 770 zone, and then towards 800 and 840 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. The crossover in the moving averages definitely is a bullish sign. Prices have retraced. It is taking support, trying to bounce back. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. See, interestingly, the MACD has crossed over on the sell side, and it is right now trading bearish on the 2-hour charts. What did we discuss earlier? See this? Hitting this zone is where the reversal initiates. I will definitely watch out for the next few candles, how Tech 100 trades. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3, similar observation, price is taking support from the 20 period moving average. This is very crucial here, and this makes this zone at 21 770 760 as a very good 670 660 as a very good support. Only and only if it trades below 21 670 660, I will recommend you to take a selling position, and then 21 600 should appear as the next support. The stochastic at the bottom, MACD has crossed over here. This is again a bearish sign here on the 3-hour charts. This is something we should watch out with caution. Look at this. Every time it hits plus 100, it always tries to reverse. For the last few sessions, we have noticed this. So I will definitely watch out at the current levels. RSI, MACD has dropped, and the RSI has dropped as well. On the 4, the observation is more or less same here. Drop, retracement, drop, taking support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back. It is still not to be treated bearish as long as 660 670 is not taken, and as long as 600 is not taken. Below 600 is where the bears are waiting. It can drop towards 21 300 and lower levels. Indicators have certainly cooled down. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. RSI flat. Coming to now, see the daily charts here. Notice in the daily charts what has happened. See, higher lows are still seen. I will wait for a breakout here. Any drop below 21 600 should take it towards 21 540 and 500, and any drop below 500 is a clear sign of reversal. If you look at the preceding candle, see, this can be a reversal sign, but preceding candle is a swing candle where higher highs are seen. Now there is still a possibility that today also it can move towards the highs, that is 21 880 900 levels. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is bearish and RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 21 725. Expect 21 750 770 first target zone, 21 800 next, and 21 840 third. If these three are taken, I will look forward to 21 900 918 levels the next, 950 970 the third, and then 22,020 levels should appear. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Though the momentum on the upside is missing here, the bulls are not very much excited to take it towards the highs here. But yes, these are markets. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 21 670 660. Expect a move towards 21 600 levels. 600 620 should be a very good support. Below 21 600 is where we are looking forward to 21,540 and 500 levels, the next target. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow. On the Dow Jones, you can notice there is a wall here at 43,200, and then there is another wall at 43,250, 270 zone. So these are the two levels which it needs to break. If these two are taken, we can look forward to 43,340. If these three levels are taken, then it is a reversal. Else what is happening after this good rise? It is retraced, and now it is looking downwards. See, body size is increasing and it is looking downwards. There is a possibility that once 43,140 is taken, we can look forward to a move towards 43,100, 43,050, and any drop below 43,050 is a sign of reversal. Yes, the indicators have cooled down significantly on the hourly. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see a wall here at 43,200, increasing bearishness. It can complete the journey till towards the zone. Possibility is there that we may see 43,050, and if 43,050 is taken, we can look forward to 43,000, 43,020. Below that, a strong bearish move should prevail towards 42,900, 42,800. But right now, I will still not say that it has turned bearish. See higher lows, higher highs. So any move beyond 43,200, stay with the buys. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over here. Trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3-hour, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. See, the crossover here is important, and this is a bullish cross. It is trading with moderate divergence. The support till towards 43,100, very, very strong. 43,050 and 43,000, very strong support exists till then. Stochastic at bottom. MACD converge. It is on the verge of a crossover for sell, and it can still diverge. A couple of bullish candles and it will start reversing, but right now the signs are bearish. Coming to 4, the observation is more or less same. Rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. If you connect it here, you will find higher lows, you will find higher highs. Till 43,050 and 43,000 levels, you have to be a bit cautious. Below that, certainly we are looking forward to a greater correction. Moving average is convergent here. Coming to now, look at daily charts. See, bigger bullish candle, the bullishness getting diminished, and here also it is seeing the lows and it is bounced back. Now, one thing is clear that the bullishness has got diminished, but I will say that bears are still absent here. Look at the higher lows it is creating, and thus it is very, very important for US30 to now trade below 43,000 levels. Only below that you can expect 42,900 and 42,800. The next strongest support today for US30 is at 42,800 levels. The crossover here is definitely a bearish sign, and any point of time if US30 is seen trading above 43,350, stay bullish for 43,450 and 43,500 as the next target, and 43,600 is also possible. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 43,200, 210 levels. Expect it to move towards 43,260, 300, 360, 400, and then 500 and 600. Yes, till 43,350 you have to be cautious. Beyond that, I can in fact say rather than 43,400, I will wait for 43,440 and then 500 and then 600 levels. So these are the targets beyond 43,350, but till 43,350 you have to exercise a bit of caution here, where we can say every 50 points you can find a little resistance. On the downside, till 43,000 you have to exercise caution. You can sell at 43,040, expect 43,140 levels. You can sell, expect 43,080, 43,100 at the first target, 43,04050 at the second, and 43,000 at the third. Below 43,000, I think we are looking forward to tremendous bearishness towards 42,910 and 42,800 as the next targets. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.